Robertson. I'm a water treatment plant operator for the Rockhampton Regional Council. Yes, I've been working here now for 30 years. Sometimes we'd have two operators working together in the control room. We no longer do that. We'll have one operator who will be at home on standby, and the other operator will be at work, and we'll take week on, week off. That's what we're doing at the moment. When I arrive at work now, I just do my usual routine. I'll go for a walk through the treatment plant, and after being here for so long, just by walking through the plant, keeping your eyes and ears open, you get tuned into the plant, and you can pick up if anything's not working properly. Just small sounds that don't sort of will indicate that there might be something wrong.